Bulavinaka, good morning and thank you for joining us on this very special occasion. I'm pleased to announce this morning that following an intensive, thorough, and independent search, the board of the Fijian and Drua franchise has appointed highly experienced sports leader, Mr. Mark Evans, as the Drua CEO. Mark Evans brings 30 years of experience and sports leadership and administration, coaching, and education to the role. He has previously served as the CEO of the Western Force in Super Rugby, the Global Rapid Rugby from October 2019 to February 2021, as the CEO of the Melbourne Storm in the NRL from April 2013 to July 2015, the CEO of Harlequins Football Rugby Club in the English Premiership in May 2000 to April 2021. Mark Evans has also coached Harlequins during this period, guiding them to 3 Premiership appearances in the finals and 2 trophies in a span of just 4 years. Mark also served as Director of Rugby and Director of Corporate Development at Saracens Football Club between 1996 and 2000. Within the past 20 years, outside of his role that I've just mentioned, Mark founded and ran a successful sports consultancy firm, delivering several important projects for World Rugby, Rugby Football League, England Rugby Football Union, the Premier Rugby, and NRL in Australia. Consistent among these many achievements in his various roles has been his ability to turn around finances and revitalize a range of areas, including commercial, governance, football operations, and high performance. Ladies and gentlemen, this appointment is a massive accomplishment for Fiji's only professional sports team as it prepares to play its second Super Rugby Pacific season in 2023. We are delighted to welcome Mark to Fiji to lead the Drua's onward voyage and help Fijian rugby reach even greater heights. The Drua was created to be that crucial link to athletes between the domestic rugby competition and the Flying Fijians setup, a pathway to the Flying Fijians. A strong Super Rugby Pacific franchise is critical for our aspirations to being among the top-ranked rugby nations in the world. The Drua was created to be that crucial link for our athletes between the domestic parts that we've had. With his hands holding the oars of our Drua, Mark will guide the club to do exactly that. Fiji Rugby will also benefit from his wealth of experience in professional rugby and in sports in general, both on the commercial and coaching side. Mark's appointment is for a 3-year term. Mark will take over the reins from interim CEO Brian Thurman, who did a wonderful job in setting up the Drua, who will revert back to his role at FRU. We would like to acknowledge the hard work of Brian Thurman during this tenure. Brian has been instrumental in setting up this Drua and operations of the Fijian Drua, and has been historic in its first season in the Super Rugby competition. With all this said, we look forward to Brian's return to Fiji Rugby Union as we prepare for the World Cup in France, which is just over a year away in 2023.